Hi, welcome back to Chem 510. In this video, we will discuss about what is PMO theory and why PMO theory is need to describe. So, firstly, long form of PMO is perturbation of molecular orbital. Scientists Huygens and Geber proposed this theory. Now, what is PMO theory? In PMO theory, two or alternate hydrocarbons are combined together to build up the system with even number of carbon atoms. Now, in the form of table, we can see firstly 5 carbon plus 1 carbon, 6 carbon. Second, 7 plus 1, 8 carbon. 9 plus 1, 10 carbon. Now we take one example for this. Here start A 0 A 0 A. This is 1 2 3 4 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 carbon. In case first, here plus 1 plus A minus A plus A. In case 1, case first is equal to energy of bond formation. There is one formula, delta E is equal to 2B summation of A. In this 2B summation of A is equal to plus A plus 0, means 0 plus A is equal to A. So 2A beta. So here is one bond is formed. Now in case first, this is structure having name 135 hexa trine. In case second, formation of this bond also takes place. So structure of this is benzene. So delta E is equal to, means energy of bond formation is equal to 2 beta summation of A. Now here summation of A is equal to, here plus A, here plus A plus A 2A. So 2 beta into 2A is equal to 4A beta. Now delocalization energy is equal to, dE is equal to Energy of cyclic system minus energy of acyclic system. Energy of cyclic system minus energy of acyclic system. Now energy of cyclic system is 4a beta minus energy of acyclic system having formula 2a beta. So subtraction is equal to 2a beta. Now for the calculation of A, we have to calculate charge density. Charge density is equal to summation of A square is equal to 1. We know that. So summation of A square is equal to A square plus A square plus A square. A square plus A square plus A square is equal to 3A square is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 upon root 3 is equal to 0.5773. Check the calculation. So DE is equal to 2 into 0.5773 beta is equal to 1.154 beta. Now here second example, 7c plus 1c is equal to 8c. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7c. Start non-start start non-start start non-start start. A plus minus plus minus. Now in first case one bond is formed in this way. So formation of one three five seven octatetra in is formed. So energy of first bond formation delta E is equal to 2 beta summation of A. Here A is equal to summation of A is equal to plus A plus 0. So 2 beta A is equal to 2A beta delta E for first case. Case second, there is formation of, now this bond is, this is first case, this is second case, this bond is formed. So formation of cyclooctatetraene is formed. Cyclooctatetraene having delta E is equal to 2 beta summation of A. Now A is equal to, here plus A minus A plus A minus A is equal to 0. So 2 beta into 0, 0. Delta E is equal to 0. In case third, this bond also formed in case third. So formation of this type of compound is formed here. So delta E is equal to 2 beta summation of A. Here A is equal to, summation of A is equal to plus A minus A plus A plus A minus A plus A is equal to A. So 2A beta delta E. Now delocalization energy between first and third. between firstly we can take delocalization energy between first and second. So this is first and second. 0 minus 2a beta is equal to 2a beta, and dE for first and third is equal to 2a beta first and third minus 2a beta is equal to 0. Now what is here? Minus 2a beta, or here 0. So for this we have to calculate charge density. What is charge density? Summation of a square is equal to 1. So summation of a square is 1 2 3 4. A square plus a square plus a square plus a square is equal to 1. So 4a square is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 upon root 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 or 0.5. Now dE for 1 and 2 is 2 minus 2a beta is equal to minus 2 into 1 upon 2 beta is equal to minus beta. So this is about the video, today's video. First we have seen that what is PMO theory. Long form of PMO is perturbation of molecular orbital. Huygens and Dewar was proposed this PMO theory. In PMO theory, two odd alternates is combined to form even alternates. Need to describe. What is need to describe? We consider molecule of naphthalene. In molecule of naphthalene, position of 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, position of 9 and 10 was tetra substituted. So density of C9 and C10 carbon will be different from rest of carbon. So this makes Huckel theory difficult. So scientists Huygens and Dewar proposed a PMO theory. In this video we have discussed two examples. 5 plus 1 carbon is equal to 6 carbon, and 7 carbon plus 1 carbon is equal to 8 carbon. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.